If you'd like to exclude or include a feature for a specific page, so say we wanted to exclude critical CSS or JavaScript optimizations for a specific page, you can go to Smart Optimization and you can simply hover over the icon, the setting that you want to include or exclude, click on it, and you can force it on or force it off. So if I was to force this off, it already is globally off in this case. As you can see, I didn't have it on under performance tweaks. But if I was to go here, it's now forced off, which is indicated by the red X. So this would be off, disabled globally. This would be forced off. And if I wanted to force this on when it's disabled globally, you could see that as well. We're seeing here, and those will then force on, as you can see. So if I then wanted to put this back to global, you can, and you can customize that per page as needed and have full control. And that's for any of these options, any of these settings. You can even purge cache, purge CSS, whatever you need to, run your optimization tests, and exclude things as you wish. If you want to exclude a specific script for a specific page, as every page can have different content, different settings, different plugins. If you have full control over everything with the Smart Optimization and the page rules from Smart Performance.